This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering what's required: passport, visa decision email, and any BRP or reference number. This speeds things up. Once done, open the email from UK Visas and Immigration or sign in to your UKVI account. Make sure cookies and pop-ups are enabled so the share code link works. You're not filling a new application, you're requesting a share code, so focus only on the confirmation or share your visa option. Keep your travel dates and passport details at hand. Now you generate the share code. From the decision email or account dashboard, tap Share Your Visa or View Decision, then follow prompts. You'll enter passport number, date of birth, and the decision reference. These match exactly to avoid rejection. After validation, choose any offered expiry window. Some codes last 30 days, then request the code. When it appears, copy it and record the expiry time. Once generated, the code is the only item you'll share with airlines or employers, not your full application. Finish by sharing the code and your passport number with the airline, employer, or border official. Confirm they can view the visa details. If the code doesn't work, try again. Sometimes regenerate after a short wait, or contact UKVI support and give them your decision reference and screenshots. Make sure you keep screenshots of the code, the confirmation page, and the expiry time. These prove you followed the process, and they help UKVI or the recipient resolve any access issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.